Brian Johnson here. Even though Garth works at Contoso and I work at Tailspin, we can still work together on this document. He sent me a link through OneDrive for Business, so I've been able to get stuff done, even on my smartphone. Office apps are available for Windows Phone, Android, and in my case, an iPhone. In the OneDrive app, I can search for the package design document, tap when I see it, and the doc opens in the Word app. This view is a bit small. Tapping Reflow makes the document easier to read on a smartphone, but doesn't change the formatting. I have something I need to add, so I tap the ribbon icon. Then Review to add a comment. I'll tap the ribbon icon when I'm done. Autosave is usually on with OneDrive, but if it's not, I can save by tapping Done.